Today we're going to be checking out the brand new AirPods Pro 3rd generation that Apple released. Now I just picked them up today. Here is the box. As you guys can see, same old, but on the insides of the AirPods there is something or a few things that are completely different. So today we're just going to be doing a little unboxing and first impressions and just talk a little bit about what's new, and then you guys are going to see it in my day of the lives and reviews that I'll be doing using them. And it's perfect because I lost one of my AirPod Pro buds and it's about time to get some new AirPods Pro 3. I used to have the AirPods Pro 2, so we'll see how they work out and what they're like. So let's jump straight into the unboxing. Now, if you're familiar with the AirPods Pro 3 box this year looks exactly the same. These are what the AirPods themselves look like, as you guys can see. At the back, we've got those 2 green pull tabs. You know how we do it. Nice, simple, and beautiful. Flip that over. Designed by Apple in California. Set that aside. But first off, check out those manuals. Again, just the usual information, how to set it up, legal, regulatory info. Again, no AirPod stickers or Apple stickers, none of them this year. Apple completely cut that off to save the environment. So we're no longer gonna see the Apple stickers for the Apple OG fanboys out there. But here are the AirPods themselves. So you guys can see that they look exactly the same. Now, Apple really did a premium packaging right over here. They almost have like a fabric-like texture right here in the AirPods casing, which is pretty nice. And once you remove it right out of the casing, if I can get that to remove, there you go. Shiny, brand new AirPods, man. There's something about Apple products, as much as you unbox them, they're always gonna be so nice to take out the box and look. Man, my previous AirPods Pro 2 case was absolutely butchered. Scratches, dirty, dust, all of that dirt. But these are brand new, pristine condition. Clear the table to see what the AirPods themselves look like. There you go. Exactly the same, guys. Now, holding these AirPods that are brand new, they feel a lot lighter than my current AirPods. I'm not really sure why. Maybe Apple has made them more lightweight this year. Who knows? Now, Apple claims that the AirPods Pro 3 are the world's best in-ear active noise cancellation AirPods or headphones in the whole entire world. They have up to 2 times more noise cancellation than the AirPods Pro 2, and they also now have high-definition 3-dimensional audio. Now, lots of people used to track their heart rates with their Apple Watches. You can now track it with the AirPods thanks to the all-new heart rate sensing. So that helps you track your calories burned as well as your heart rate during a workout thanks to the Apple Fitness app. They also have a more secured fit, so maybe that's why they felt lighter. They were redesigned to fit into more ears more ergonomically. Also for the better acoustic performance. And lots of people have seen the AirPods Pro 3 on ads. Maybe you have yourself. And you might be wondering, what is that one feature yet? That one feature is live translation. Whoever designed that, man, they're genius. Do you ever find yourself at the grocery store, the drive-thru, or wherever you are, and you just can't understand the other person or they can't understand you? I mean, if you have your AirPods Pro now, you could speak and you're gonna be able to hear what they say in their language and so forth, which is really handy, especially with just how quickly the world is growing and how many cultures intertwine into each other, which also means languages intertwine into each other. And you also now get up to 8 hours of listening time of battery power in the new active noise cancellation thanks to the battery redesign on the AirPods. And that's on a single charge. You still have free personalization, as in the engraving that Apple offers on the AirPods online. You still have Find My precision tracking, the heart rate, obviously that's new, but dust and water resistant or proof. Same thing, you have 2 hours more of battery compared to the AirPods Pro 2, and on the AirPods Pro 3, your precision tracking is 1.5 times better than the AirPods Pro 2 on Find My. Same old, no new colors, no new design change or look, just brand new AirPod Pros, 3rd generation, with more features in there that who knows how many people will use for the same price point. Now, that's really it. AirPods Pro 3, this was a quick unboxing, first impressions, and just quick overview. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. We're on a brand new journey. If you guys haven't seen my story time video, please make sure to go check it out. I'm gonna bring these bad boys into the real world, test them out, so stay tuned. And make sure to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, where you'll see a lot more content of these things. It's been Alex. Stay safe and stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one.